So Connor's dressed up as Ram. I'm gonna be dressing up as Rem. He's probably gonna kill me after this video because we're about to go bowling in Rem and Ram outfits for absolutely no apparent reason here at Anime Expo! So I'm gonna change, right? Yeah, so we don't know why we're doing this. It's just everyone likes Best Girl and everyone likes bowling. So why not just combine the two? You ready, Rem?
Fuck you.
So we're gonna try and go around AX. Hopefully we don't get into trouble trying to do this, but we're just gonna play bowling in random places with other cosplayers. So let's go!
Let's go bowling, bitches.
Alright, we have to identify each other as Rem and Ram from now on.
That's fine,
for the
Rem.
remainder of this video.
Ram, you're such a slut.
What? Okay, that's true. I don't know how to actually bowl, so you're gonna have to actually show me the ropes.
I'm a pro. I handle my balls like a pro.
This is a shout out to Toys R Us. It took me forever to go find a bowling kit, and the moment I needed it, you guys shut down. So I had to go on Amazon. This is where we are in life right now. So, first one, let's just have it with us. I don't know the correct way to do this.
I'm falling down.
Did I do good, Ram?
This bitch is like Walmart and I'm Gucci. Strike, bitches.
I'm supposed to be Best Girl and I'm not good at bowling. Alright, next round.
Hi guys, you ready to lose?
Okay. Fight me.
Subaru's gonna suck my dick. I got this in the bag. Thank you. Okay, you wanna try and beat me, bitch?
Well, I need to keep my entitlement of Best Girl.
Winner gets Subaru.
There's no shame in cheating.
3 pins, really? You got this, Aki. You ready? I win, bitches. That nearly ripped the dress, holy shit. You're my hero right now.
It's on my bag, I'm sorry.
Oh, okay.
I jumped.
Round 2?
Taught me a lot.
I've taught you fuck all.
Okay, give me
Except
one
how to
tip.
suck
Give me
Subaru's dick right.
What? Give me one tip for doing bowling.
Visualize the bowl. Be the bowl. You got this. I believe in you.
Wait.
That's really close to my face. Wow, you couldn't have spread those pins out more.
Apparently his name is Bartholomew. So Bartholomew wants to bowl.
What a bitch. Does anyone want to bowl with 2 sluts? Yeah? Yes, bowl. All right. I believe in you. Oh.
Hole in one.
Hey, Frieza, do you want to bowl with us?
I'm gonna try and hit this as far as I can. So I'm gonna go all the way over there and see if the ball makes it.
You ain't gonna hit shit.
I'll be the best. She hit shit.
All right, you hit shit. She hit shit. Hit it like I hit Subaru, am I right?
Love you.
Yeah, this is really breezy, I like it. Like, I'm getting a lot of air, like, going in me. It's pretty nice. Yeah, check out those legs.
Okay, so we're finally in. For some reason, they let us in with the bowling set into Anime Expo. So we're just gonna set it up over here. Now we're gonna see if any cosplayers wanna join us in. You can roll her if you want. Roll Best Girl.
It's not much rollability.
It's okay. Remember your form. Technique. Yeah! Yeah. Oh! Oh, it didn't work. Oh!
What? Bowl. Oh my god. What the hell?
Well done! Yeah! Any final words, Connor?
I'm Paul. I'm really Paul.
Oh, you got this.
Thank you, Doom.
It wasn't me.
Okay, Deca, Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that here at Anime Expo of us bowling with random cosplayers. I'm here with CDog VA. Feel free to go subscribe to his channel. And thank you so much to everyone who participated here at Anime Expo. See you guys, and please subscribe. Okay.